I brought two gifts today. Let's see who they belong to. This one has Samuel on it. This one has boy on it. Which one do you think Samuel picks? Obviously this one. But why not the boy box? Because many boys exist, but only one of these is his name. Oh, so a name can tell us exactly who someone or something is? I wonder if that's true for every other thing. Let's test it. I have two friends. One has a special name, but the other doesn't. Girl, Victoria. Which one has a special name? Victoria. Which one doesn't? Girl, because there are many girls in the world. We have school, all grade schools. All grade schools have a special name. It talks about only one school. School, there are many schools in the world. Dog, bingo. Bingo is only one dog, so it has a special name. There are many dogs in the world. Did you notice what I noticed? Girl, boy, school, dog. These are anybody names. They belong to everyone. But Samuel, Victoria, Bingo, all grade schools, these are VIP names. They only belong to one. If your name were in a gift box, nobody else could pick it. That's the power of VIP names. In English grammar, these anybody names and VIP names have a special name too. Do you want to hear it? Anybody names are called common nouns. A common noun is the general name of a person, animal, place, or thing. VIP names are called proper nouns. A proper noun is a special name of a particular person, animal, place, or thing. Teacher, does that mean that proper nouns and common nouns are the first two sets of nouns we've discovered today? Yes, you're absolutely right. And I want us to play a game. I'm going to say two words, and you have to tell me if that word is a proper noun or a common noun. Don't forget, proper noun tells us one particular thing. A common noun tells us a general name for that one thing. Are you ready? Very good! Now I want you to keep practicing your common nouns and proper nouns, and I can't wait for us to discover the remaining types of nouns. Thank you and bye-bye!